This is me and the puppy sitting under a tree in the rain, waiting for the puppy to go poop. But the puppy won't stay to stick. Sage, go poop, girl. Go on. Go poop. If you go poop, we can go inside. I don't mind the rain though. It's beautiful out right now. Oh, is that a poopy dance? Could be. Could be a poopy dance. Or the puppy thinks it's a good idea to hide under the tree with Dad. Sagey. Sage. Hi, babies. Hi, beautiful puppy. You're a wet puppy now, aren't you? Beautiful wet puppy. Eating some tree. Puppy, go poop. Don't eat the tree, buddy.